So much for the Navy SEALs saving the day.
Shit, bro. That's fucking Pedro.
Clyde did this. He killed Pedro, and he killed Eisenhower.
Eisenhower died in Iraq. You saw him die.
Clyde leaked those troop positions. He's responsible for what happened to Eisenhower.
Pedro, man. Eisenhower. They were the only ones left from our Ranger squad. I can't believe it.
Harris, the cowboy contractor. Well, where the hell are you? This ain't exactly a pleasure cruise. Over.
We just entered Hangar B. Over.
Well, hurry the hell up. Where are those Navy SEALs?
They're dead, sir.
Oh, shit. Well, isn't that just great? That means you're our only hope. You two get shot or screw this up and there's a lot of people gonna die. Over.
Try not to, sir. Over. Advance!
Let's go.
Hold your position, soldier!
It's cool, guys. I got you covered.
Stay close, man.
I got you, Tice.
Get over here.
I'm on it.
Between the hangars is closed. There's no way through.
Well, figure a friggin' way through. Damn! Don't they teach you how to do anything in the private sector?
Get your ass over here.
Okay, you got it.
Salem, stop right there.
Hell yeah.
Stay close, soldier.
You got it, no problem.
These are hydraulic doors. If we could destroy the valve, we'll release the pressure and be able to open the doors.
Wait, shit, that looks like the panel up there. I can't believe you were right.
Need a hand? SSE contractors conducting Harris. We're in Hangar C. Please advise.
Okay. You need to load as much force as they
got me!
Welcome back, buddy.
Joe, help me flank this guy! We gotta flank this guy, bro!
Get over here.
All right, bro.
Rios to Harris, do you read?
I hear you. Everything ready?
Yes, lower the platform. As soon as we're back on the bridge, you can detonate.
Typical private sector mentality. Always thinking about yourself first. If you were under my command, I'd whip you into shape. There's millions of lives at stake. We don't have time to waste. I'm detonating these charges as soon as this elevator lowers. So I suggest you start moving. Bravo Zulu, boys. You did it. There's a life raft at the stern. You can use it to get the hell out of here.
Us? What about you? You're coming with us.
Oh, no can do, soldier. The captain always goes down with the ship. Honor and duty.